Hello and welcome to You, and You. I'm the Budget Boss, and today we're diving into part 4 of our series, Mastering Marriage and Money. We're focusing on investing in your future. Smart money moves for couples. We'll be exploring 3 important tips to help you and your partner make wise financial decisions together. The journey towards financial freedom can be a fulfilling one. It could be very exhilarating when navigated as a team. So, are you ready to take control of your finances as a couple? Let's get into it. First, let's talk about choosing between individual and joint accounts. So when it comes to managing your money as a couple, there are pros and cons to both. Individual accounts can offer a sense of financial independence, while joint accounts can foster a sense of unity and shared responsibility. So picture this. If you're a couple who likes to surprise each other, I love surprises, okay? With gifts, individual accounts could work best. On the other hand, if you're saving up for a shared goal, like a home or a vacation, a joint account can make a lot of sense. The key is to find a balance that respects your individual financial autonomy while supporting your shared financial goals. Maybe a hybrid approach could work for you. You got to discuss it and see what will work. Each partner could maintain an individual account for personal expenses and then a joint account for shared expenses. Okay? And if you're enjoying this information, be sure to hit that bell, like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and more information on how to master your money and budget like a boss. So moving on, let's discuss maintaining financial autonomy within a partnership. Now, this might sound like a paradox, but it's not. It's all about balance. So picture 2 circles, one representing your financial world, the other your partner's. Now imagine these circles overlapping. This sounds like something from school, like a Venn diagram, right? That's the sweet spot where joint expenses come in. But what about the rest of the circle, the part that doesn't overlap? That's your financial autonomy. So here you can make decisions on discretionary spending and personal financial goals. You might want to splurge on a new gadget or save for a personal project. And that's okay as long as it doesn't compromise the shared financial goals. So communication, we talk about that a lot, right? Is the key to this balancing act. Regular financial check-ins can help avoid misunderstandings and conflicts. So make sure you discuss your personal financial goals and how they fit into the shared financial vision. And remember, financial autonomy and partnership aren't mutually exclusive, but they require clear communication and understanding. Finally, let's touch on creating financial agreements. These are not your run-of-the-mill contracts, where you go somewhere and somebody pull out this long 10-page thing that you gotta barely read and sign away your life, but rather they're a mutual understanding between partners. So outlining financial responsibilities and expectations. Like, think of it as a roadmap. We talk about that a lot. A roadmap to your shared financial journey, making sure that everybody knows what they're being expected to do and how they're expected to do it, so it's no hiccups. Okay, you might want to explore setting spending limits or thresholds for the joint expenses. For example, any purchases over a certain amount should be a joint decision. And this ensures transparency, and it also helps to avoid any unpleasant surprises down the line, okay, or any anxieties of, oh man, I just bought this, I don't know how they're gonna feel about it. But remember, life is fluid, and so should your financial agreements be. You should be able to say, hey, you know what, this threshold right here not working so good, can we adjust it? Discuss it, communicate, because circumstances change, goals evolve and change, and your financial agreement should adapt accordingly. So regularly revisit these agreements and make the necessary adjustments, and keep the communication lines open at all times. Creating these agreements might seem like, oh, I don't want to do this. Who want to do that? But it's an investment worth making. It's very, very worth it. It's all about balance, respect, and open dialogue. So financial agreements are vital to ensure that both parties are on the same page when it comes to money matters. Okay? So that's it for today. We've journeyed through the importance of choosing between individual and joint accounts, maintaining that financial autonomy within the partnership, and crafting financial agreements. Remember, these tips are not just advice, but tools to boost the financial health of your partnership. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and join our community of money masters and budget bosses. And say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. I'll see you later.